Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your forgotten password in PicsArt. Watch the video till the end so that you'll be able to do the following activity by yourself. Before moving on to the video, make sure you like and subscribe to our channel. Moving on to the video, first of all, you have to have PicsArt installed on your phone, which can be installed through App Store. Open your PicsArt. If you want to create your new account, tap on Create New Account. But if you have already an account and you have forgotten your password, follow my steps. On the bottom side, there is Sign In. Tap on Sign In. Enter your email or username. I'm entering my email here. And now for the password that I have forgotten, tap on Forgot Your Password. Now enter your email here again. Enter your email here again. Then tap on Send. Now PicsArt will send an email to your Gmail account to change your password. For that, open your Gmail account. Here you can see a mail sent by PicsArt as reset password. Tap on that mail. Now tap on Reset Password. Choose any web browser. I'm choosing Google Chrome. PicsArt will allow you to enter new password and retype password for future purpose. After you are done typing your password, tap on Save. And now you have successfully changed your password. Now go back to PicsArt login page and then try to log in again, entering your new password. Enter your email again, then type your new password that you have recently put. Then tap on Sign In. Now you have successfully recovered your account. Thank you so much for watching till the end. That's all for today. If this video was helpful for you, do like, share, leave a comment down below, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll get notified when we post new videos.